Thanks for tuning in today, guys. It's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory, and today I'm going to be doing another self cut for you guys. Now, there's another video where I did a mid fade on myself, but today I'm going to do more of a low fade. So I know this is a very popular haircut, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do it on your own. Okay, so I'm going to start out by combing the hair. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make my bald guideline around my head. And since this is a low fade, I'm not going to take the guideline up high. It's almost going to be like I'm doing a taper. I'm really just going to start the guideline right here and then start behind the ear here. So you'll see. Okay, so now that I've made my guideline, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take the clipper with the lever fully open and I'm going to make a 1-inch guideline. This is the lever open. This cuts off less hair. This is closed. This cuts off more hair. So I'm gonna open the lever all the way. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to close the lever all the way and I'm going to gradually open it until I blend up to this next guideline. Okay, next I'm going to do something a little bit different. So since I want this fade to be kind of low, I'm going to go ahead and use the 1.5 guard. Now this will be the highest guard that I use, but the reason I'm going to go ahead and make a guideline with this is because I don't want to go past this guideline right here. So this will keep me from raising my fade too high. I don't want to go past this area right here because I want this to get thicker. The objective is I'm trying to get more curls in this area, so I want to leave this a little bit more heavy. Okay, so it may be a little hard to see, but we're not going past this point right here. I'm going to put on the 0 guard with the lever fully open, and I'm going to start to blend up under that. Now I'm going to close the lever all the way. Now I'm going to go halfway. I want to take the 1 guard and just blend up in detail right in this area. Remember, we're not going up past this area, so I'm just going to detail right here with the 1 guard. So the last step is to take the clipper with the lever fully open, and we're just going to detail this area right here. And you may have to open or close the lever as needed, but always start with the lever open because you can take hair off, but you can't put it back on. Okay, so while I'm already on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and create the path for this part. You can still see it, but I just need to take the clipper and create a clean profile.